To show you the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, security alarm. Come see the car for yourself.